Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Philadelphia. Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Philadelphia provides focused solutions for a clean, healthy, and safe indoor environment. Our courteous, highly skilled team has over 10 years of experience with. We service both commercial and residential clients. We're proud to provide the best in professional air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and chimney cleaning services. Our licensed, expert team of on-site and training managers has extensive combined experience in the field of indoor air quality and air duct cleaning. All of our technicians pass a strict certification process to ensure that each job is done with the utmost efficiency and professionalism. Our vision is that we will help every possible client with improving their health by focusing on air quality in their home or business, as well as maintain and prevent hazardous materials and unpleasant occurrences. Customer satisfaction is given the highest priority. Call us today, 215-970-2870. For more information, please visit our website, www.amazonairpro.com, or contact us through phone, 215-970-2870. You can visit our office, 1733 Spring Garden Street, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19130. Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Philadelphia.